Hello ABR MarketWatch audience. Today's market story is unfolding under a cloud of trade tensions and investor caution. The US's looming tariff deadline has left Indian benchmarks, our beloved Sensex and Nifty, treading water, while the rupee takes a 0.4% dip against the dollar. Yet, amidst this uncertainty, we spotlight beacons of resilience. The 10-year bond yield holds steady at 6.29%, and overnight index swaps and call money rates remain unchanged, standing firm at 5.5% and 5.30% respectively. Indian shares today presented a subdued performance, with gains in consumer stocks such as Godrej Consumer Products tempered by broader losses. However, it's essential not to overlook the 5% increase in Godrej Consumer's shares, fueled by their projected double-digit revenue growth in Q2. Meanwhile, Dhanlaxmi Bank saw a 3.4% rise after reporting a robust 15.8% growth in total business, and Shilpa Medicare rose by 2% following a clean bill of health from the Brazilian health regulator. Despite these bright spots, the overall market mood is tentative. As Aishwarya Dadhit, Chief Investment Officer at Fident Asset Management, rightly points out, clarity on trade deals could reshape global flows and affect various sectors differently. Indian equities are currently about 3% below their record highs from September 2024. The direction of the market now hinges on the outcome of trade negotiations and upcoming earnings reports. In India, while major indices Nifty 50 and Sensex remain stable today, they're impacted by US tariff uncertainty, causing 9 out of 13 sectors to decline. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Small cap and mid cap indexes dropped 0.5% and 0.2%, respectively, but the consumer index is surging 1.6%. Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Nestle, and 13 other constituents in the consumer index are all on an upward trend, fueled by hopes of a consumption rebound due to above-normal monsoon expectations. Looking further afield, Asian markets are falling as US officials delay tariff deadlines without specifics, leading to caution. Trump announced that several trade pacts are being finalized and tariff notifications will be out by 9 July, with new rates effective 1 August. Furthermore, he threatened an additional 10% tariff on nations aligning with the BRICS anti-American policies, which includes India as a member of the bloc. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more updates and insights as this market story continues to unfold. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the market's pulse can help you make informed investment decisions. Keep watching, keep learning, and stay ahead in the game.